Kix basic process, how Kix is interfaced with storage, dash D and DB2, and how Kix is interfaced with the terminal, and how Kix is interfaced with application program. It is a basic process and it's a basic block diagram how Kix is interfaced with user and the storage. Firstly, the interface with the user and the Kix. This interface is termed as a front end. It is the interface of front end. It is the interface of user and Kix. The interface of user and the Kix is termed as a front end, and the interface with Kix and the storage is termed as a backend. Backend, or it can be termed as a storage end. The interface between Kix and the storage is termed as a backend and storage end, and this end Kix and application is termed as a processing end. This end is termed as a processing end. Front end, where the user is connected to the Kix. Backend, where the Kix is connected to the storage. Processing end, where the Kix is processed, where the processing is taken place. Here, firstly, the Kix is connected to the terminal is connected to the Kix. Terminal in the sense it is a user. What is the user using? Console or emulator 3270. What is the console or the terminal or the user using the console, the emulator? All these were termed as a terminal. It is considered as a terminal. VTAM, BTAM, TCAM. These are the interface methods. The user or the terminal will interface to the Kix via these interface methods. VTAM, Virtual Telecommunication Access Method. BTAM, Basic Telecommunication Access Method. TCAM, Telecommunication Access Method. BTAM and TCAM were outdated. These both techniques were outdated. Presently, we are using VTAM, Virtual Telecommunication Access Method. The terminal, the user, is connected to the Kix via VTAM. Via VTAM, we are connecting to the Kix. It comes under data communication function. There will be 5 major functions: data handling function, data communication function, application programming services, monitoring services, and system services. In that services, this front end, this interface end will be termed to data communication end. It is termed as data communication function. How the user or the terminal is interfacing with Kix. Programming end, like how the program is interfaced with Kix application programs. How the Kix is interfaced with application programs. This function is provided with application programming services. Application programming services. With application programming services, the Kix can be interfaced with application programs, application programming services. And storage, it is data handling function. The data handling function provides the interface for Kix with storage dash D, vSAM and DB2. Small organization provides vSAM and large organization provides vSAM. Small organizations use vSAM and large organizations use DB2. It is data handling function. Data handling function. Okay. Process. How the process takes place. How the process takes place, like how when a user is making a request, how the request was bring to Kix, and how the Kix takes that request, and how Kix will process that request, and where the request will be given, and from where the user will receive the response. How the Kix will give the response to the user. Firstly, criminal. Terminal in the sense like user. The user makes a transaction from terminal. The user requests a transaction from terminal. From here, the user makes a transaction to perform a task. For example, here just consider like the transaction is to access a data from database. The terminal, the user makes a transaction. The user will connect to VTEM, and from VTEM he will connect to Kix, and the transaction will be given to Kix. In Kix, the Kix will process the transaction using these application programs. In these application programs, the transaction is processed like the user requested database. So the application program will invoke the database. Will invoke the database and access the information. Will invoke the database and access the user requested information, user requested data, and that data will be brought to the Kix. And from Kix, the data is brought to the terminal user, and the user receives the data, requested data. The user requests the data, and the user receives data. User requests the data, making a transaction, and the user receives the data as a transaction. The transaction is completed. It is a basic process how a transaction is takes place. Terminal from terminal user makes a transaction. From terminal the user makes a transaction is a front end how user is connected to Kix. The user makes the transaction from terminal. The transaction is brought to Kix. From Kix, if the user invokes an application to be run, then the application processes the transaction. The user accesses the data, then the application program accesses the database DB2 or vSAM. From there, the data is accessed. If there is no, if the data is not present in database, then it will go for the local dash D. And if the data is there in dash D, then the data will be retrieved to Kix. And from Kix, the data is retrieved and given to terminal, the requested user. It is a basic process how the data is. It's the basic process. In this example, we discussed about how the terminal or the user makes a transaction, and how the data is processed, the transaction is processed, and how the data is taken from dash D, and how the data is given back to the user. Firstly, from front end, the user makes the transaction. In Kix, the transaction is processed. The transaction is about to invoke a application, and the application will be invoked, the application will be brought up, and the application will be run. If the transaction is about to access a data, then the transaction is given to, and the request is given to dash D DB2. The data will be accessed from the DB2, and the data requested data will be brought to Kix, and from Kix the data is given to the terminal, given back to the terminal. It is the basic process, Kix process, how the terminal is interacting with Kix, the user is interacting with Kix, and how the Kix is processing the transaction, interacting with the application programs, and how the Kix is accessing the storage.